This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child Abduction Alert. We have received this important announcement regarding abducted children, Denver. The Denver Police Department is searching for 1-year-old Naviana Marufo and 2-month-old Ramon Marufo in addition to their mother, 24-year-old Francesca Tafoya, last seen in the vicinity of East 40th Avenue and Colorado Boulevard at 10 a.m. Naviana Marufo is a 1-year-old, white, female, with black hair and brown eyes. Ramon Marufo is a 2-month-old, white, male, with black hair and brown eyes. Investigators believe both children and their mother were forcibly taken by 28-year-old Julian Marufo Gutierrez and are possibly traveling in a 2001 black Chevy Suburban bearing Colorado temporary license plate 411262. They may be in the Fort Collins or Loveland area. If you have any information, please call 911.